I don't like this mic because this mic avoids those surprises. When you're breathing, for example, you were thinking and you... Hello, my friend! New forms of lectures. Right now with technology, we have lectures with giant screens. We have 360 degrees lectures where the audience has earphones and changes the channel according to the lecture he or she wants to see. If I want to watch this one, I'm listening to this channel. I want to watch another one, I just change the channel and listen to that. Change the channel, listen to that. We have now lectures with smell, with temperature variations. We also have the very popular podcasts nowadays. And if you were doing podcasts, use a mic that doesn't interrupt the audio. There is a modern mic that cuts the audio when you were quiet and activates automatically when you were speaking. I don't like this mic because this mic avoids those surprises. When you're breathing, for example, you were thinking and you... This sound shows you that I am thinking about something. And I like to share the audio naturally. Lives that are very common nowadays, or Zoom meetings, those meetings that you do online through your computer. Look at the camera. Even though you were watching the person who is speaking and you want to look at that person, look at the camera so the person understands that you were connecting with her. Okay? The human attention is very fragile. So, let's be aware of the spirit of innovation. There are many opportunities to advance the great art of public speaking. But let us not forget that content matters more than style. At the end of the day, your idea is the most important thing. And I ask you, what do you want to share with the world? What is the idea that you want to share? Comment here, I want to know more about you. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. Why learning public speaking? And you might ask me, but Felipe, now you're telling me why I should learn it.